Hi, what's up you guys? My name is Liz and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how I do my makeup every day, and a lot of you guys have been asking me how to, so here's a long awaited video, and if you want to learn how to recreate this look, please keep on watching. Okay guys, so basically this is me without makeup and I have a clean fresh face. So what I'm going to start with, it is my Protini polypeptide cream, and you get this at Sephora. Now I'm going to be using my Bedescu spray. I want to make sure my face is kind of damp, and then I'm going to apply my foundation, which I am using the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin, and this is in the shade Y245. The only reason why I like to wet my face when I am doing my foundation or before my foundation is because it blends faster, and it just makes the high coverage foundation look like skin. And I actually learned this from Beyonce's makeup artist at a class. Now I'm going to be using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in light. Now I'm going to be setting my under eye with the Studio Fix by MAC in the shade A46. Now I'm going to be using my Airspun Powder and setting my whole face. And the only reason why I set my face with the MAC only in the highlighted areas just so it can look brighter. Now I'm going to be contouring, bronzing with my Too Faced Chocolate Solei powder. So while I have my Chocolate Solei bronzer out, I'm going to bronze up my eyelids and under my eye. Now I'm going to be getting my OFRA blush. I'm not sure what the color is, but I will try to link everything down below. Now I want to go ahead and remove that baking powder that I put under my contour, and I'm going to tap. So now that I removed the baking powder, I'm going to be kind of contouring again because I feel like the powder kind of vanishes the contour. So now I'm going to be spraying with the Bedescu again. Then I'm going to be taking my OFRA highlighter in Glazed Donut. Next, I'm going to be doing my eyebrows with the Anastasia pomade in soft brown. Now I'm going to be grabbing my eyelash curler and I'm going to be curling my lashes. I'm going to be grabbing my IT mascara and I'm going to be adding mascara to my lower lashes. Then I'll be adding some to my top lashes just to blend in the fake eyelashes with my actual eyelashes. Now I'm going to be using my House of Lashes glue, and I'm going to be using this PIXIE Lashes, and this is in the style Cocky. I know they look kind of beat right now because I've been using them for a while, and honestly these are so fluffy. They're gorgeous. They don't need mascara or anything. They're perfect the way they are, and you can actually purchase them and use my code edmbae for 10% off. While my eyelashes are kind of getting tacky, I want to go ahead and apply a line of eyeliner. I know it looks kind of whack, but the lashes are going to cover it up. Finally, I'm going to be applying the BUXOM lip gloss. So this is it, guys. This is the final look, and this is what I do every day for my makeup. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys can try out my look. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share with your friends. And if you're a hater, hi, you just watched it all. Give me my coin. I don't care if you're a hater and you watch my videos. But to the ones that actually like me and support me in what I do, and the people that inspire me to make this YouTube channel, I love you guys so much.